Hi guys! For today's vlog ay sad day kasi ito yung huling araw namin dito sa flat namin sa Jaipur. At mag-empake kami today kasi pupunta na kami ng Ajmer. Doon muna kami titira for some time. Bale, sandali lang naman kami titira sa Ajmer kasi sa 22, November 22 darating na yung family ko. At pagdating nila dito sa India ay magre-rent kami ng Airbnb dito sa Jaipur, pati na rin sa Ajmer. Meron din silang doon, gamit doon. And after naman ng wedding namin, after a week, pupunta na kami ng Pilipinas. So, walang sense na kung ititira pa namin tong flat namin sa Jaipur kasi magtatagal din kami sa Pilipinas pagkatapos nun. Walang titira dito sa flat, so naisipan na lang namin na i-give up muna ito. So, bahala na after next year kung saan kami titira, kung sa Jaipur ba or ibang place kami titira ni Ritesh. So, yun. Medyo sad ako. Actually, hindi medyo sad talaga ako kasi nga, aalis na kami dito. Gustong-gusto ko talaga tong flat na to. Napakaganda kasi nung location niya. Katabi lang namin yung KFC, yung mga park, kanya. Madaling yung mga puntahan dito, yung mga shops, walking distance lang. As in, ang ganda ng location niya. Nakakalungkot kasi wala na kaming place sa Jaipur. At least for some time. In the, next year, hahanap din kami dito or let's see what the plan will be. Depende kasi sa kakalabasan ng business at ng aming income ni Ritesh kung saan kami talaga mag-i-stay. So, tara, samahan nyo kami kung paano ba kami mag-empake ni Ritesh ng gamit. At si Ritesh nga pala ngayon ay nasa office niya. Mag-aasikaso muna siya doon bago siya umuwi dito at together mag-empake kami. Then, uwi kami ng Ajmer sa in-laws ko ngayong araw. So today guys, Ritesh now is at home and making Maggie. And tell me, what is our scenario to pack? We're saying something.
We're just saying you pack in three categories. One that we don't require and no one requires, so we'll put that at Aishwarya's house. And second that we can give to Surbi. The third.
Why will we need to give to Surbi?
Things like some eatables and that will get spoiled. So will that
Okay.
can be used by Surbi.
And then?
Third one that we'll carry to Ajmer.
Okay, there's a lot to carry to Ajmer.
It's okay, we'll just pack things. If we cannot carry all, then we'll just keep it here.
Okay,
Okay, next time I come, I'll just carry that.
okay.
Okay? Thank you, Sheena, for the bag.
So guys, this is our mess right now, and this is our luggage. And thank you, Sheena, my friend, for giving me the bag. Meron na kaming magagamit pang store.
You can fit inside, right?
No.
So big. Yeah, you can.
No,
That's right.
I think Chawi can.
No, you can.
No, silly. Ritesh,
I will put some. Yeah. So, Sheena, this bag is not enough to fit Princess inside.
guys, so silly. So guys, ito ang may nakauna kong dadalhin. Galing pa sa Pilipinas. Binili ko sa TikTok ata. Lalagyan na ng gawin natin. Dadalhin natin ito sa Ajmer. Kasi wala silang nandito sa Ajmer. Gusto ko guys, time check. It's already 2:30 and look at this, God.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. He told that already, for 1 hour. 2 minutes and 2 minutes. And he's
2
still not
minutes.
doing anything. Our train is at 6:30. We are not yet packed.
6 minutes.
6 minutes. Oh my God, this is how lazy Ritesh is. Time check. It's 3:30, I think. And still, we have a lot of mess. Look, we had just emptied here. Pero meron pa rin dito. Madami pa mga damit ni Ritesh. At ang aming kusina, hindi pa naaayos, guys. Ayan pa, magulo pa. Ayan, ang lagayan ng aming mga gamit. Yung isang maleta, yung maleta ko pang galing sa Pilipinas. Ngayon, yan, isip ako maliit maleta. Pati ito, dadalhin din namin yan. Ito, kung ano-ano pang ginawa ni Ritesh. At may mga Pinoy foods pa ako nandun sa taas. Diyos Go! What time we will, finish this? This. Ang hirap pala guys maglipat bahay.
All of your clothes, all of your food items here.
Food items daw lahat doon, sabi ni Ritesh. Ayan, tanyong si Ritesh niya, kailangan gumamit ng upuan para maabot. Ako kasi kailangan ko laging abutin eh. May upuan na, tatayo pa ako dito. Sana all matangkad. Ay, galing pa sa Thailand yung iba dyan.
Mikmik?
Mikmik, yes. It's
What
from
is this?
Philippines. It's a milk powder.
Mikmik?
Yes, Mikmik. Yan yung mga pagkain ko pag galing sa Pilipinas. Ito pa last nung August pa ata yan, saka September.
You put all the stuff which can be given to your family when they come.
Okay, there. We can put it there,
Yeah.
okay?
And for the next 4-5 days, do you need anything from here?
That, the...
So you keep that in your bag. But this...
But it won't fit my bag, that, that big... Ano nga yun?
The food I'm saying.
Food. It's not the food, it's the utensil.
I'm not saying utensil, I'm saying if you need anything, okay, that
Okay.
can be given to your family as it is,
Okay.
you just put that here. If
Okay.
you need anything
There is
that you
a
will
lot
eat,
there.
it's already there.
Yes.
So that is enough for you for the next 2
No,
days.
but still, we have a lot there.
It's here.
Okay, we'll put...
So you want it in Jmeir or you just want to give that to your family?
But we will bring that to Ajmer.
No, I will just keep that bag here only.
Okay, then we will use it in okay. I will put also the stuff there because it's a lot.
Broken now.
Okay. Time check. It's already past 4 p.m. At alam nyo ba, nalaglag ni Ritesh ang ating Insta360.
Hello?
Kaya hindi ko alam kung
Hello, yes?
maayos pa. And ayan, nag-aayos pa rin kami hanggang ngayon. May kausap pa si Ritesh. Buti nagana pa yung Insta360. Diyos ko, nalaglag. Ang lakas ng pagbagsak eh. Why it's open?
Hmm? What is that?
Why? Ayun guys, time check. It's already 5 o'clock. 5:30. Alis kami dito sa flat ng 6 o'clock at hindi kami natapos. Hindi kami natapos sa pag-empake. Dahil kulang sa oras saka nakakatamad. Ang dami pala namin gamit kahit na Itong flat na to ay fully furnished. Yung mga sofa na yan, yung kama, hindi yan sa amin. Kasama to sa flat na to. Noong rent namin. Pero dami pa rin pala namin gamit. So, nakakapagod. So, sabi ni Ritesh, pabalik na lang daw ulit siya dito sa flat at kukuhanin niya yung ibang gamit. Ayusin niya yung ibang gamit. Tapos yon yung mga, hanggang 30 pa naman kami dito. Ano pa lang ngayon? 16? 17? November 17? So, yun. Pwede niyo pala namin iwan dito yung ibang gamit. At yung ibang gamit din kasi dito ay dadalhin namin sa Airbnb na titirahan ng family ko sa, pag dito sila sa Jaipur. Hindi kasi namin sila pwedeng patirahin dito sa flat na to kasi maliit lang to. Madami sila. 8 persons po yung family ko na attend sa wedding. So, ayun. Kumuha na lang kami ng Airbnb dito sa Jaipur. So, yung ibang gamit dito, yung mga ibang pagkain, dadalhin namin sa kanila para may makain o makapagluto sila dun sa Airbnb. So, ayun. Chai muna tayo. Nagluto nga pala si Ritesh ng chai habang kami ay naghihintay ng oras para makaalis dito sa flat. So, ito guys, ang overall naming dala. Isang malaking green. Yan, isang malaking green. Meron ding green. Tapos ito, at itong nasa likod ko. Guys. So, yun guys, nakababa na kami ng auto. Nag-auto kami at sobrang sikip. Ayan, si Ritesh. Ang dami naming dala. At 18:36 na, bebe. It's only like, 9 minutes before our train leaves. Nandito na pala kami sa train station. Ayan, grabe guys. Sobrang dami namin dala na si Ritesh muna yung nauna. Tapos ako naman yung susunod. Hindi ko to kayang dalhin na. Ang bigat niyan, pababa. Wala kasing escalator pababa. Guys, sobrang pagod ni Ritesh. Ang bigat kasi naman ng gamit. Ano, dito pala kami sa platform na namin. Ang daming tao kasi Saturday ngayon at uwian. So, imagine nyo na lang na madami talagang tao lagi pag Saturday. Hi guys, we're on the train now. Say hi guys. Hello. Hello. So, 2 hours to Ajmer. So yun guys, we're here in Ajmer now. It's very dark because it's night. And nagmamadali po si Ritesh dahil nandito na daw ang aming cab. Kaya dito kami sasakay sa malaking auto kasi hindi kasya yung mga gamit namin sa mga cab or taxi dito. Yun. Chalo, chalo! Hi guys, we're in Ajmer and we are thinking of the wedding. Say hi guys. This is Mommy G, Papa G, Ritesh G. And this is Princess G. So, good night guys. This is the end of our vlog. Let's end the vlog here. Bye-bye! Say bye-bye, Mommy. We arrived here in Ajmer and this is the last day. This is the last video.